Here on the channel, we love a good case and a good grip for the Nintendo Switch. Well, I've got a bit of a treat for you, because today we're going to be looking at two products, a case and a grip, both from TomToc, and they both work together. So, without further ado, let's dive in and have a look. Hello, welcome to Console Accessories. I hope you're staying safe and I hope you're looking after each other. And as I said in the introduction, what we've got something for the Nintendo Switch, the Switch Lite actually. For my turquoise Switch Lite, but I'll explain why it can be for all colours in a bit. And we're going to be looking at two products. We're going to be looking at this, which is the TomToc Ultra Slim case, and that's in the turquoise. And then this as well, the liquid silicone case. Again from TomToc, and I'll explain why. If you stick around, I'm going to explain why they actually work together. So I think they've probably thought about using them both together, so they've designed the products to do that. So we'll crack on and I'll show you that in a bit. Okay, I paid for these myself, and I bought this one for £19 and I bought this one for £17. And what I'll do is I'll stick up the price in all the other countries that you can get them. But I must say that in the US and in Australia, I've only found this in grey, because they also do it in blue. This is blue, turquoise, and they also do yellow and grey. So European, you can get all the colours. In the UK, you can get all the colours. But in Australia and the United States, I've only found it in grey at the moment. That might change. If you let me know down below if you found it in all the other colours, and then I can stick the link. And I'll stick the link where you can get all these down below. Okay, so let's crack on. Let's crack on with this first. So this is the liquid silicone case for the Switch Lite. So on the box, we've got a picture of it and a bit of gum for the silky touch feel, anti-fingerprint, and the shock-absorbing microfiber lining, precision cutouts for buttons and ports, and easy to install and remove. I'll show you that. And there we go. There we go. There are the colours. In fact, it does pink, black, but mainly when I was looking on the website, it has just the three colours for the three main Switch Lites, but you can get it white, black and pink as well. And this is the turquoise one or the blue one. Okay, so I've played about with it for a bit. I've just reboxed it up just to show you what it's like. And what you do is when you open it up, a bit of plastic and then a bit of styrofoam, get rid of that as well. And nicely, it comes with not one but two screen protectors, and they're the tempered glass ones, so they're nice and tough. Pop that on your Switch Lite. Brilliant. Always good when they give you screen protectors, just to add a bit of value, and then you get your average stickers and your wipes and stuff to be able to put it on. Okay, great. Now to the actual unit itself. It says that it's silky touch feel, anti-fingerprints, and the shock-absorbing microfiber lining. And I can tell you now, it feels incredible. I was quite shocked when I got it out, and it actually feels lovely. The inside is like this microfiber. It's almost kind of like velvety. I don't know if I can get it in there. We can show you that. Can you see that kind of texture there? It's lovely, really nice inside. And then you've got this feel here, because I've used other grips in the past. This is a grip that I've used, very rubbery, and it is just a piece of rubber. It's okay, but it's just a piece of rubber. This is like quality. It feels lovely. It feels like they've really, really thought about it. And then if we weigh it as well, because it's not very light either, not very heavy, sorry, 51 grams, nothing. So it's not going to add much to your Switch Lite, because you don't want anything to add, because that's the idea of this, is it's small and portable, isn't it? And the colour, pretty much spot on. Nailed the colour there. And the way you put it in on the bottom there, and then click it into the top. And the way to take it off, I found, is pulling out the top and then just pulling the Switch Lite forward. So popping it in, there we go. And on the top, you've got a button for your power and your volume, and then you've got cutouts for the vents and the headphone and the game card. And then on the bottom for your speakers, on the back for your air vents, and there for the power. And we haven't got a cutout for the micro SD card, but as I always say, I've changed my SD card once ever, and that's when I put it in. You don't need that at all. And then cutouts for your triggers there. And then you see that a little bit of protection there for the back there. There we go. Okay. So overall, the feel is lovely. Really, really good quality. Not overly expensive as terms of grips go. I'd say it was average. You know, you get the Hori ones that they're okay. I know we did a look at past ones of one of the Hori grips with the Animal Crossing, and I know that's faded over time and people aren't happy about that, but I can't see this one really fading because it's just like the one colour all over, and it seems like that material is coloured that way. It's really nice. Really good feel to that. Okay, so that's your grip done. Very, very impressed with that grip. And then moving on to this. So I was saying I paid £19. It's around $19, isn't it? 31 Australian dollars and 19 euros. And it comes in there, and there it is. So you get a couple of labels, which is nice. And then on here, so first up we're going to do the colour, okay? The colour isn't spot on, okay? That's, okay. Look, let me show you. So it's quite a lot lighter than that, but hey, it is what it is. It's lighter. I'm going to let them off with that. And on the top, you can tell they've made it slimmer by putting the indents here, so you can they can make the case almost slimmer, so it doesn't have to cover the entire top there. The wrist strap, nice, feels really good quality. And the zips here have got these extra bits on with a nice bit of branding on there. We love a bit of branding on some zips there, good. And then when you open it up, it only goes and gets better. Again, the inside, as it was with this, the inside of this is just plush. It's just lovely. I mean, this is a beautiful fabric. This here and these two. So this here was more of a kind of like a velvety fabric. This is kind of like your microfibery one, but it's really nice inside. This I would absolutely trust this to protect my Switch Lite. I mean, you're not going to get any scratches on this at all. And the flap in there that goes on the screen is going to clean it more than anything. It's lovely. And then a space there, 2, 4, 6. You've got a space for 8 games in there. Not much else because it is a slim case. So if we try it with that. So first up, we're going to put the Switch Lite in, straight in. Lovely. And as we always do, we try and press these down. Okay, so I've got to really press. To actually press the sticks down, you've got to press down, so we know this is going to give quite a lot of protection. Quite a lot of protection. As you can tell, this is like that material stuff, so it's like sort of a good bit of protection on the front and the back. Okay, this it's a little bit flappy. It'd be nice if I could maybe able to tuck it in, but probably not because of the zip. And as I said, it's two products as well. So if you decide to buy the grip as well, put the grip on, and there we go. It fits in as well. Just as easy fits in. You can take these flappy bits off here, these zips, but you'd have to cut this off if you didn't want the wrist strap on there. It's a bit flappy, but it's entirely your decision. But this is going to be my go-to case, I think. I haven't got to take too much. You can take games if you want. I don't think it would take much. Let's try and fit a cable in there. Okay. So I've got a cable in, and it adds a bit of bulk to it, but it does fit in there. It's not designed for any extras, but you can fit it in. There's no netting. Normally there's like a little bit of netting, isn't there, that you can stuff things in. Not for this one, I'm afraid. So if you're looking for something that's you want to carry some extra bits other than just the Switch, then you might be having to look elsewhere. But if you are just going to carry the Switch and you want a grip and you want a case, this is perfect. That kind of matches the colour, doesn't it? I'm really pleased with this. I think TomToc have done a good job on this case. The colour could have been better, and I'm not too sure about this wrist strap. But other than that, very pleased with the quality. Very pleased. So I'll be using this from now on. Really will. Okay, so have you seen these on Amazon? Are you thinking about picking one up? Have you got a Switch Lite? Have you got the coloured one? Are you going to get one of these in all the different other colours and the grips and all the other colours? Okay, so let me know in the description below, in the comments below, your thoughts on this and what do you think of it. I think it's a winner in my book, and for a total of £36 for the case and the grip. Yeah, okay. I think in terms of getting the grip and the case, I think that's okay for me. So let me know. I will drop a link down below of where you can pick all these up, and let me know your thoughts. Okay, thumbs up on the video would be really appreciated, and if you're new, hit the subscribe button and hit that bell icon and all the good stuff so you can be notified when we upload all our other Switch accessories, PS4 accessories and Xbox accessories. And thanks very much then. Take care, look after each other, and until the next video. Bye bye.